momentum and rotations and turns, and we did a couple of cool exercises.
So you might remember the exercise where we had the whole class joining in, so follow was set on the direction and any leg can pick her up and redirect her in any way.
Swapped the leads, tried it so that we could understand what the follows needed from us and vice versa.
Yep, and that enabled us to do the moves, which we then learned.
Yeah, so we took our grapevine style movement from last week where our follows were rotating, and we did it from, and then we sped it up, and we added some ups and downs to it, and then we took the movement when our follow was coming back through to rotate, and then we caught her, and then we came in for the dip, we came back up and turned her, came in, and then we walked back out and reset from a different angle. So we're doing some more there. So as she comes through, we reset, we came in for the lunge, we lifted and then turned her for the dip that we did last week, and then we walked out. So we also talked about the free spinning stuff. So we did the exercise where she wasn't necessarily turning the way that we wanted to. It was about our follows, keeping their rotation and the energy until the lead stopped it.
Yeah, just a few pointers that we that came up in class. Follows when you're spinning. It suggested potentially relaxing through your core a little bit so that your spin isn't sped up. And also when he's setting you up with the momentum, don't try and step outside your frame and travel visually. Go with what you're given through the feel of it, and just keep your feet under you and keep the rotation natural, and step where you naturally want to step, and also keep your rotation grounded with the lower centre of gravity, which is useful when you spin.
And then we also talked about, because the guys were asking, how do we line up, so we talked about different ways in which I can rotate the follow, and then depending on where I put myself, she then goes down the left, the right, or straight towards me.
Yeah,
Very fun class. Thanks.
Fun class. Yeah,
Thanks for coming.